one day, like I was going to get my fix, and then I meet this guy. Apparently, again, is giving sasikas, but looking good, perfumes and all that. Yeah. So obviously I love flash things. So I'm like, okay, fine, guy, fine. Again, like guy on in I can't guy muntu shama house arrest. I want to those creepy stuff. I didn't know the other seven like I'm phoning about babu and then how? Well, she will run up using those corner lana. Okay, fine, it's okay. As me bosho kanjalo anginika my instructions those umuntu so mnika into kanje nani I do as I was told phela fine ayenze lokho and then ayigalakatha abese kabuyile ke hayi abuye and wake wangitshela like wayesimaclase uyakutshela athi ngitshela bona la kuyashisa la mabafika ulibamba lishisa again uze uthi ngikweke boshwa wena mina ngizobe ngaphandle. So I know ukuthi izinto zistesheke kuphi or ini futhi yazini yeah. Afika amaphoyisa khona